Oh, Cesar Siamo, Pamilya, pass to begin, moving up on the outside, midnight break, compelled to lead, then comes Jai Ho, also moving up down on the inside is How Did You Know Chonange, then comes That's My Way, Mapagkumbaba, Corduo, Mirabal, then followed by number 1, Mapagtiis, and Elena Spiller, and going along for the first turn, Siamo, Pamilya, Bayalalenka, compelled to lead in second, and in third comes Jai Ho, 4 lengths so in fourth, comes Mapagkumbaba, That's My Way, How Did You Know Chonange, Corduo, Siamo, Pamilya, Bayalalenka, Nehapa, Jai Ho now moving up to take second alongside third, compelled to lead. Then comes Mapagkumbaba, That's My Way. Siamo Pamilya by only 3 for Abalenga. Then here comes Jai Ho now moving up on the outside. Compelled to lead still in third and followed by Mapagkumbaba. The lead now belongs to Jai Ho by about 2 lengths. Siamo Pamilya dressed back in second as they come down at the last 150. Jai Ho now racing away by about 3 lengths. Moving up by the rail now to take second is Mapagkumbaba, and on the outside Siamo Pamilya. Last 50 meters we've got Jai Ho, and finally Jai Ho. Second, Mapagkumbaba, Siamo Pamilya, midnight break, compelled to lead. That's My Way for your Super 6.